Aaron, Beth and Cara receive some prize money in the ratio of 2 to 7 to 5. In total, Beth and Cara receive £84 in prize money. Calculate the percentage difference between what Cara receives and Aaron of the total prize money received by all three. So, Beth and Cara have 7 plus 5 parts altogether, which is 12 parts. Therefore, one part will be worth 84 divided by 12, which is £7. The difference in parts between Cara and Aaron will be 5 minus 2, which is 3 parts. And then 3 parts will be worth 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, the total amount of parts is 2 plus 7 plus 5, which is 14 parts. And that 14 parts will be 14 times 7, which is £98. Now, you've got two ways you could actually work out this percentage difference. You could either use money. So we're going to use 21, which is the difference, over the total amount of money, which is 98, and then multiply that by 100 and get 21.4%. Or we could just use the parts. In fact, then we wouldn't need to know the £84 even to begin with. We can do that. The difference is 3 parts. So using parts, we've got 3 parts over the total number of parts, which is 14 times 100, which again will give you 21.4%. So this here you could actually do without actually knowing the fact that it's £84 in prize money that Beth and Cara received at the beginning. Okay, this has been working out a percentage difference using ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.